Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's a fresh new Saturday here in the US, and Saturday Sundays are like shift days. आज almost पूरा दिन shift है. So you'll see that in the vlogs. And first thing first, going to the gym, took protein intake, and थोड़ा सा मैं मैच देख रहा था सब उठ के. It's like अच्छा खेल रहे गुजरात वाले, so it's all good. And I was correct. It's an empty gym, so मजा आएगा भाई चलो. Crazy. That was a crazy workout. Chalo bhai. Let's go get freshened up, call parents and off to the shifts. Chalo, it's a sunny Saturday here in the US in the St. Louis and got ready, freshened up. थोड़ा सा ठंडा इसके लिए I was like let's wear a hoodie because last time मेरे को अंदर से borrow करना पड़ा था. It's good. So it's like 11 to 2 then 2 to 4 रूबा में ही है. And I guess रूबा का pool चालू हो गया. So let's see if people goes in water then I won't be able to use phone. एंड देन 6 से 9 इंडोर पूल है. लाइक पूरा दिन आज रूबा में ही है. कल भी ऐसा कुछ है. या आई डू आराम ऑन वीक डेज. वीकेंड्स पे आई डू वर्क. या दैट्स क्रेजी बिकॉज वीकेंड्स पे नोबडी वर्क्स राइट. सो इट्स ऑल गुड. कार यूनिवर्सिटी इज एम्प्टी. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि लाइक कैसा था. जस्ट अगस्त में हम लोग आए थे एंड देन कट टू इट्स नाउ मई. अगस्त वापस आ जाएगा. विल बी ग्रेजुएटेड. ओह माय गॉड क्रेजी एक्सपीरियंस इट वाज. व्लॉगिंग करते करते पता ही नहीं चला. व्लॉग्स 200-250 के ऊपर व्लॉग्स बन गए अभी तक. डैम नेवर थॉट ऑफ लाइक आई विल डू इट रेगुलरली. स्टार्टिंग के व्लॉग्स में एडिटिंग करने में मैं वॉइस ओवर करता था. आई वाज नॉट एबल टू शो माय फेस. आई वाज सो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. बट व्लॉगिंग हैज हेल्प्ड मी इन अ लॉट ऑफ वेज लाइक टॉकिंग, वॉकिंग, showing out things, and then creative side जगह है. कॉन्फिडेंस आया है. हाउ टू स्पीक टू पीपल. And then I don't care if like people are watching me. It's just me and my camera. So it's all good. Crazy लग रही यूनिवर्सिटी भाई. And then पीछे से vlog करना सीख गया मैं बैक कैमरे से. पहले मैं सेल्फी से करता था. So yeah, there was a lot of learnings. Finally the pool is open. रूबा का मस्त है भाई. बैठ गए. जब तक कोई आता नहीं तब तक let's call parents and everybody. Crazy slow. थोड़ा जोर से बोलूँगा बिकॉज गाने चल रहे. लोग पूल में थे कब से. एंड देन आई हैव लाइक थोड़ा सा टाइम तो आई विल हैव लंच एंड देन आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो आउट विद नीनो फॉर 2 hours कॉज उसके बाद अगेन आई हैव टू कम टू शिफ्ट. शी इज गोइंग समवेयर एंड शी इज लाइक शी डजंट वांट टू गो अलोन. आई वाज लाइक ओके आई विल जॉइन यू. थोड़ा सा व्लॉग भी बन जाएगा राइट. है थोड़ा बाहर घूम लेंगे भाई. नो केम ऑल द वे टू पिक मी अप. सो लेट्स गो. वी आर गोइंग टू सम लोकल मार्केट नियर बाय. सो लेट्स गो. शी इज गोइंग टू टेक द कार. आई एम वेटिंग हियर. डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर कॉज we are going, I don't know exactly where we are going, but we are going somewhere where every country ka food is available. So Nina wanted to go from a long time and Lasha was not coming, so she needed a company. I was like okay, I'll come. So we are going and it's like different experience, right? I was just bored from the shifts. So yeah, and I have to get back till I'll have to get back till like 6 p.m. We'll be back by 5:30 or something. You'll see that. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated. You stop for the petrol break or the gas break, you can say. And this is the food truck in St. Louis. There is only one of this. Other one was like momos का था, which I guess Jemin और हम जब नवरात्रि जाते थे तब गए थे. But I guess तभी बहुत लोग थे तो I never shorted that in the vlog. But yeah, I need a haircut, man. I badly need a haircut. But yeah, so Nino has some. Okay, that's not for the vlog. But yeah, we are going somewhere to get something. That's all I know. It's damn hot outside here. Inside it was, in the Ruba it was windy. That's why I like wore this hoodie. But now it's feeling warmer inside. Crazy.
10 times.
At least.
And it's all easy.
Yeah.
But if I'm driving correctly, then I'm like, oh, it's doing a good job. It's a good job.
Good area.
Yeah, it's different nature.
Yeah.
I'm telling you not worry because I'm working.
So here we are, Global Foods Market. So is whole food cause almost every country का food है यहाँ पे. Like food grains, food तो क्या ही बोलूँ. What Georgian?
Yeah.
Crazy. Yeah, Georgian natural mineral water. Damn. What is this? This is Jhandu Keli lemonade.
Ah, it's also Georgian.
It's also Georgian?
Yeah, it's also
Crazy.
Georgian. Okay.
So this is the Georgian flag, Nina is showing. Crazy. This one, right? This one. Okay, this is the Georgian flag. Okay, this is the Georgian flag. Okay.
That's the Georgian.
This is the Georgian flag. It looks like England. Plus. You forgot.
I don't know how to say it in English. This we use for making creme.
Cream. Okay. So it's used
Baking.
for making cake. Crazy है भाई. हम Indian side भी जाके आए. It's a good store. Let's see Indian section as well. Indian, Sri Lankan. Parle-G.
It's cheap market, you know.
So this is the Georgian sparkling water.
Yeah.
Nina wants me to try.
And it's the most famous one in Georgia.
Most famous. All right. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. So, chalo, done, and now going back to the shift. It was fun, maza aaya bhai. Learned so many Georgian words like Gabar Jama. So Lasha came, right? So मैंने उसको बोला, he was like, how do you know that? I was like, yeah, I was with Nino. The sparkling water was good. That entire shop was good. कितने सारे countries का था. We should go again. I feel Indian food भी अच्छा था, but अभी we have like stuff full, so अभी कुछ चाहिए नहीं था ऐसे as of now. So yeah, again I have 3 hours of shift. चलो भाई, going back to shift. पूरा दिन shift में गया, but like this was the highlight of the day. ये वाला trip. वरना पूरा दिन कंटल जाता भाई. I was almost bored, but yeah, it's good. I have to work on things, but like घर पे जाके खाना वाना बना के रात को I have to stay up. Otherwise the day would be wasted. So it is what it is. But yeah, chalo. And now like my schedule is gonna be like this only. Shifts. So trying to have fun in between whenever or wherever I can. First and last break for the shift. बस ये YouTube को thumbnail डालने में आया हूँ and then video upload करके निकल जाता हूँ. लो भाई डाल दिया. Right, done from the shift. थोड़ा सा kind of on the low side, but yeah, it's all inside us, right? You have to feel high, you have to feel low. 9 बज गए भाई, सुबह 11 बजे का निकला हुआ हूँ यार. What is this? Let's go home. I have to cook. That's the sad नहीं होता. That's the sad part of being an international student. You have to cook your meals daily, but not complaining. जाते भाई बनाते. Let's call parents. We'll feel good. Yeah, that's all. I don't have anything to talk about, and I don't have energy to talk, so I won't force it, right? So let's go. Let's see how the vlog turns out. Editing में पता चलेगा अभी तो. चलो. And it's time to make out. Making rotis ये बन रही है पे रखी. And then I'm having one of these. ये सब बचपन का याद आ गया. मम्मी ऐसा बना देती घी वाली, ऐसा गरम ही खा लेते थे. ये टेस्ट ज़्यादा करता, ठंडा हो जाता मज़ा नहीं आता. So let's continue and call mom. चलो. That is it for today guys. I hope आपको पसंद आया होगा. पसंद लाइक करो, चैनल पर तो सब्सक्राइब करो. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks so much for watching.